They want to see the boot time kind of system. I have one with an accelerator that boots in 10 seconds.
Our hard disk working away. Well, this is so old, it's black and white.
Yeah, only black and white. No gray shade. Just black or white. Each pixel is or red, or black, or white. Yeah, that's Macintosh Classic, 4 MB RAM, system is 701. Fine.
What are you going to use this for?
At the time or now? The use?
Oh, yeah, what are you going to use it for now?
Now, nothing, just to fix.
Oh,
Just fix and show my friends that it has been fixed.
you fixed it. Okay.
There's nothing else. No, you can, basically, you can use a text editor. Word is quite fast. Okay.